In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an index. Create index creates an index on a table to speed up data retrieval and improve query performance. The create index statement creates a new index with a given name on a specified table using one or more specified columns to improve the speed of data retrieval and query performance. In this example, we'll use a music table that contains 4 columns: ID, album, genre, and artist. We'll use this table to demonstrate how the create index statement works. This creates an index named index album genre on the music table using the album and genre columns. Create index is used to speed up the data retrieval process. It used extra storage space and slowed down to add a modification operation like delete, update. To delete an index from the database, use drop index album genre. You have completed the tutorial on create index and learned how to use this operation to create an index on a music table.